All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So yes, here's another one for you. The Pixel 6 Pro has a few cases in the Pixel store that you could possibly buy. And here is one of them. This is one of those, they're new translucent cases. And it comes in, I think, 3 different colors. And Google was kind enough to send this phone over to me and the case. And I appreciate that. It's the package that it comes in. And here is the case. And by the time you watch this and by the time I've uploaded this, I've definitely been using this for more than 24 hours. But right now, I'm about 12 hours in with this, possibly. And it is 8 to 12 hours in, and it is absolutely fantastic. First thing I want you to listen to. I bought a Pixel 6. Even though I know they were sending the Pixel 6 Pro, I want to get the full team Pixel experience. So I bought the Pixel 6, and I did not put this case in my cart. And so now I have to pay, again, separate taxes and shipping or whatever, because I want this case and I want it badly. This is a beautiful feeling case, man. I was not expecting it to be a strong, sturdy case. And if you're wondering, compared to those fabric cases that they sent out before, or that they were selling before, those are good cases, but this is a strong case right here. And this falls in line with that drop protection deal. So on this part of the case right here, you gotta have a little give right here, because this is where you push buttons, you know what I'm saying? So this is the power button and the volume rocker. And on the bottom, you have a little bit of give here for, probably accessing the case in and out. And even though it has these thin sides right here, this is strong plastic. No sales pitch here. I'm telling you, I did not know this was gonna be this hard. So it's really nice, man. And again, I've been using it and I absolutely love it. And it does have to compensate for that huge camera bump on the back. And they did a good job with strengthening this area right here for this case, because I was kind of worried about that, because I have other cases that I'll show you on the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. But man, this case also transforms this phone into a beautiful piece of hardware, meaning that color. I said it in the unboxing video of this for the hardware. I'm not really a fan of the top portion of the phone, the color, and then this top portion with this like some tone of it's just weird. However, this takes care of that. There's no more of that. So this is just like a regular, it looks like a white phone up under there, but it is just a good look. And I love how it makes this phone look, hands down. I like the Google logo. It gets real dark and everything because you got another Google logo up under there on the phone. But the case itself is going to be really nice. So you got all ports and everything are going to line up. There's a microphone up top. And you've got the charge and sync in the middle there, the Type-C cable. And you got the 2 ports here for speaker and mic. And then obviously the camera has got a little bit of help here. So when you lay it down like this, it's not touching the table at all, or the desk, or wherever you're putting it at. And then also it's a curved display on here. So it kind of wraps around just a little bit. And if you lay it down flat this way, there's lip on the front and the top and the bottom. It's got right there, a slight curve right there on both sides. So the screen is not touching. This is a beautiful case, folks. The power button and everything works good. Volume rockers work good, nice and clicky. I like that. And so, yeah, I wanted to show you this case, man. So again, shout out to Team Pixel. Shout out to Google for sending this out to review. I really appreciate it, man. And I have nothing else to say about this. This is a positive run so far, folks. And I can't wait to give you more coverage of this device. So coming up next week, you will see more content. It's your man, Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care.